Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be looking at STEM decentralization, and our focus will be on chemistry. I would want to teach and explain some things about electrolysis. But before then, I would wish to go back to your primary basic science that talks about mixture and compound. In our primary basic integrated science or basic science, we're told that a mixture is a substance that consists of two or more elements that are physically combined together, and that the constituents of a mixture can easily be separated through a physical means. On the other hand, we were told that a compound is a substance that consists of two or more elements that are chemically combined together. Hence, a compound has a chemical formula, and that the constituents of a compound cannot be easily separated. An example of a mixture is the melting of a candle wax, which can easily be recovered back to its original solid state. An example of a compound, it could be found in when you burn a firewood. The constituents, which is charcoal and fumes, cannot easily be gathered back and returned to its original stage. Another example of a compound is water. It has a chemical formula of H2O. It means two molecules of hydrogen combined with one molecule of oxygen forms water. Now, the constituent of that water cannot easily be reversed back to hydrogen and oxygen, just like the candle wax could be. Now, we'll move to the definition of electrolysis, right? Electrolysis is the difficult process of decomposing a compound into its constituent parts by the passage of electricity. Or in brackets, you put by the passage of a direct current. Electrolysis is the difficult process of reversing a compound into its constituent parts by the passage of a direct current. At this stage, we want to look at the electrolysis of water. Before we tell you about the electrolysis of water, we must tell you that water is a bad conductor of electricity. Hence, some few quantity of sulfuric acid is added into water to be called electrolysis of acidylated water, so as to enable it to conduct electricity. Now, let me ask you, what do you understand as good conductors, insulators, or semiconductors? What is a conductor?
A conductor is a substance
Eh?
It can be used to pass electricity.
A conductor is a material that allows electricity to pass through it. On the other hand, an insulator is a non-conductor. It doesn't allow electricity to pass through it. Now, as a rule in chemistry and physics, all good conductors of electricity are good conductors of heat, and vice versa. You can cut.